What's up, guys? It's Jimmy again over here at Signature Performance. We got a beautiful one today, something just a little bit different, which I'm always excited about. Today we have a beautiful 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 Trail Boss. This is a customer of ours. His name is Scott. He actually drove about 12 hours to come see us. He is up a little bit past Sacramento, and Scott hit us up and he actually sent me a quick text and said, "Hey, I've seen you guys on YouTube and I want to get my truck done." So he did come in with some parts and we actually supplied quite a few things to him. And we got a time scheduled and we got him in. So let's take a look at this guy really quick. So of course we went with the 4-inch McGaughys kit on this beautiful 2500. So to start, obviously we're going to check out the beautiful McGaughys drop. So when you measure center bolt to center bolt on that drop, it is a true 4-inch drop. Again, a true 4-inch drop. I always get that question. Is it actually a 4-inch lift kit? Yes, absolutely it is. What sets us apart from our competitors is we are actually painting the CV shafts and the steering components black. So if you guys take a look at your trucks at home and take a look at your CV axles and your steering components, and they're actually rusty from the factory. So what we do is we do a light sand to them and we paint them black, so that way no more rust accumulates and you don't have rusting components on your guys' trucks. Moving up to the upper control arms and the beautiful shocks. Scott actually uses his truck and he overlands it. So what we decided to do was hook him up with some upper control arms and the beautiful M84 Reservoir shocks. Now with these shocks, Scott again is going to use them because he's out off-roading. You know, he is beating on his truck just a little bit to get into some nice camping spots. So he does need that extra cooling that these M84 reservoirs provide. Upper control arms, as you can see, there is going to be some added droop travel to obviously help with the ride quality of these trucks. Now from the factory, these trucks don't ride the greatest, but when you upgrade to the McGaughys upper control arms, that actually increases your droop travel. So what that means is you actually get a better ride quality. All right, so out back, to match the ride height in the front, we went ahead and did an 1.75 inch block in the back, and we also added 2 shims to this truck. So Scott came in with the added weight. He has a smart cap and he also has an awning on the other side. So what we like to do, which is the correct way to do it, is you measure the ride height static, right? Obviously with added weight, it's gonna bring the rear of this truck down. So we added some shims to the rear of this truck to bring it up to the correct height. Scott actually is planning to tow with this as well, and he is planning to add a little bit extra weight. So what we did was we actually got him some LogIQ airbags as well. So you can see it is an over the leaf spring bag, dual bag on each side, so a total of 4. Scott also went with the optional 2-gallon boost tank. He wanted to have that air ready to go. When he adds the weight up here, he just wanted to be ready to go, pump it up and get him back on the road. The other thing Scott wanted to add was the Logic AirIQ optional remote. So he wanted to be able to be outside the truck, go ahead and power this guy on. So unlock it and just be outside the truck, air it up and air it down. So let's talk about these wheels and tires. So Scott brought in some KMC Mesa forged monoblocks. These wheels come 18x9 with a +18 offset. Now with these, this is the perfect fitment that we recommend. As you can see, it is perfectly flush. We absolutely love this look. We absolutely love the weight savings that this provides to this truck. 31.5 pounds per corner. It being a forged wheel means that it's 4,000 pounds carrying capacity per corner, which is great. What we wrapped these Mesas in is 37, 12.5, 18 Nitto ridge grapplers. Because Scott is going to be overlanding this vehicle, he wanted an aggressive tire that's also going to be quiet on the highway. He is obviously driving to all his locations, So he didn't want a hum of a mud terrain, but he also wanted something more aggressive than an all-terrain like the Recon Grappler. So hooked him up with some Ridge Grapplers. So what we did to make these tires fit is we went ahead and we just did a slight trim on the front bumper. Now moving to the back, we actually added a Fender tieback kit and a Mudflap delete kit. Now with this 18x9 with the plus 18 setup, these 37s, it is not required to do this. But because we know Scott is going to be using his truck, suspension is going to be articulating when he's off-road, when he's overlanding, when he's camping with his family, we wanted to make sure we give him the most amount of room to make sure he doesn't rub, he doesn't hear anything, and no issues come up and his front bumper doesn't fly off. Like, dude, I've seen some trucks that like just dig really hard and their bumper's like off. Not off, but push far forward and it's like, Jesus Christ, dude, the thing just... Okay, maybe the front bumper doesn't fly off, but maybe it catches and it pulls some stuff back or forth, whatever it's gonna be. We just don't want any issues. So I can't end this video without talking about the smart cap. Now, we didn't install this, we can't take credit for that, but it's a beautiful product. Let's take a look at it. So with this guy, pop these guys, this guy, it's got locks on it, opens up. This is great for overlanding. The other thing he came in with is the deck system. So he's got all his camping gear on both sides. They do come out all the way. He's got everything inside. Obviously, we got his stocks loaded up, ready to go home. In addition to the deck system, he also added the shelving on that side and the table up top. Now, if you come around to this side, the other cool thing he has is he's actually got a 270 awning on here. So if a setup like this interests you, a smart cap, a tent, an awning, hit me up. We can get you going. Again, we're a dealer for a lot of these companies. We can get something like this installed for you here at the shop. So there you have it, guys. Scott's 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 on a 4-inch McGaughys with reservoirs, 37s, and 18x9s. So if this interests you and you want your truck to look just like this, again, my name is Jimmy from Signature Performance. We're located here in Costa Mesa, California. If you're coming from out of town, that's okay. I'm here to help. I'm here to answer your questions. Go ahead and feel free to give me a call. We'll see you shortly.